Live on Revolutionary Cam, and we're here at one of our favorite places, and it's the village in Ntonso where we do the Adinkra stamps. And we have had about several people who have made stamps before this morning. And if you come a little closer, we'll show you. These are all of the cloths. You got your black dye right there, and then you got a bucket full of different Adinkra stamps, different meanings, and you just match up and create your favorite cloth. Now we have Sass here, which is a veteran of this place here. Sass has probably had about 7 to 10 or more cloths made over the last few years. Are you planning on having anything made today?
Yeah. Bam.
Bam, is it already pre-made or?
It was pre-made, but if I had selected myself, I would have selected the Giami, God First, and the Akoma or Sankofa coming back to fetch it. Nothing wrong with coming back.
Perfect, and we have Lee here. You just designed a cloth. Where's your cloth? Is it drying? Okay.
It's
drying. We know we're gonna take a quick look at some of these cloths. Come and take a quick look. Now fam, this is amazing. Look at these beautiful combinations. And every combination has its own specific meaning based on the Adinkra stamps. So you can design something for a friend that means, 2 different meanings. And then you just put your stamps on there. This combination has 3, right? 1, 2, 3.
Yes. Where's yours, Lee?
This one's Sankofa and place of worship.
So these are all of the sold, all of the finished products right now. You have more people getting the stamps made and everything. And here we have righteous.
This symbol here means divine protection. I've done that.
Alright family, so for the future coming up, if you look to get your own cloths made, look to get a piece of nature, join me, Bomani and the crew of Africa for Africans on our annual Ghana October 2013 Journey of a Lifetime.